Hello everyone! So today you'll be learning how to play Don't Cave In, something like that. Don't Let the Cave Get You Down, that song from Avatar. A lot of you guys have been requesting it, so I am more than happy to make this tutorial for you guys. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more of me, and if you have anything to say, then I'm all ears, but let's get right to it. Before we begin, just letting you know, this is something that's going to be really quick. No chords are going to be learned. It's just mainly like a small little tab thing, and so yeah. So we're going to split this up into two parts, and this first part is going to be the main melody that you hear. You're going to make sure that you have your fingers on the pad board pretty on but light, because you're going to be moving around a lot. And then also when you're plucking, you're going to be using your thumb, and you're just gonna try to do it as fast as you can. So like if you need to do it slower than faster, then please do that. But it definitely took me a while to move up the speed to what it really was in the song. Don't let the cave-in get you down. Don't let the falling rocks turn your smile into frown. Okay, so here is the next part, and when I'm strumming this, I'm still using my thumb, just my thumb only. When the tunnels are darkest, that's when you need a clown, hey! Don't let the spirit get you down, sucker! And I know in the original song, there's not like a pause there, but it's kind of hard to switch from this higher part to closer to the fingerboard, and so that's why I do a little pause there. If you can switch from here to here really quick, then I don't think need to make the pause. But if it's hard for you guys like it is for me, then making that small pause in the middle helps a lot. Okay, so this is how it sounds all together. So you learned how to play this song. I hope this is somewhat helpful to you guys. And yeah, if you want to learn other songs from Avatar: The Last Airbender, I'll probably just start the end screen right now and let you choose some if you want. But if not, go ahead, exit the video, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya!